emotional whirlwind is rising. This is gonna be fun. Let's make some happy memories. Come on, everyone. Time to find the fun.
Yeah, find the fun.
Woohoo! And this sure is a whirlwind of fun.
Enjoy your jolly, fun-filled time.
Thanks, Sanger. Greatest day ever! Woo! We're winding down. Now please stay seated until the emotional whirlwind comes to a complete stop. Then wait for a mind worker to open your door. Okay, time to get these memories down to long term. Bye-bye!